Imagine being able to capture cinematic aerial footage, track moving subjects automatically, and create vertical videos for social media, all with a drone that fits in your backpack and weighs under 249 grams. That is exactly the promise of the Potensic ATOM 2 drone. At first glance, the ATOM 2 looks like a compact and minimalist drone, but once it takes off, it becomes clear that this is not just another entry-level toy. It is a thoughtfully designed flying camera built for adults who want creative freedom without unnecessary complexity. One of the biggest advantages of the ATOM 2 is its weight. At under 249 grams, it avoids many registration requirements in different regions, making it more accessible for travelers, beginners, and casual pilots. This lightweight design also means portability. You can take it anywhere, hikes, trips, cityscapes, or outdoor adventures, without carrying heavy gear. But portability alone would mean nothing without performance, and this is where the ATOM 2 truly starts to stand out. The drone records 4K video and captures 8K photos, supported by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This gimbal is a key feature because it delivers smooth, stable footage that looks controlled and professional even during movement. Pans are fluid, horizons stay level, and vibrations are significantly reduced compared to drones that rely only on digital stabilization. In daylight conditions, the camera produces sharp footage with pleasing colors and solid detail, while low-light performance is naturally limited. As expected from a lightweight drone, the ATOM 2 includes an AI night shot mode to enhance clarity when shooting in darker environments. It doesn't turn night into day, but it helps extend usability beyond ideal lighting conditions. In-flight intelligence is another strong point. With AI track, the drone can automatically follow a subject, keeping it centered in the frame. This is ideal for creators filming themselves, athletes recording motion, or anyone who wants dynamic footage without manually controlling the camera at all times. The Quick Shots modes add cinematic movement with just a tap. Whether it's a smooth orbit, a dramatic pull-away, or a rising reveal, these automated shots allow beginners to create content that looks carefully planned and professionally executed. Vertical shooting deserves special attention. Social media has changed the way content is consumed, and the ATOM 2 adapts perfectly to this reality. Native vertical framing makes it easier to publish directly to platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts without heavy cropping or quality loss. Range and control are equally impressive for this category. The drone features up to 10 kilometers of transmission range under optimal conditions. In real-world use, obstacles and interference will reduce that distance, but the connection remains stable and responsive, giving pilots confidence and control throughout the flight. Battery life is another area where the ATOM 2 shines. With the Fly More combo, total flight time can reach up to 96 minutes across multiple batteries. This means fewer interruptions, more creative freedom, and more opportunities to get the shot you want without rushing. Of course, no drone is perfect. Because of its lightweight design, the ATOM 2 can be more affected by strong winds than heavier professional drones. And while the camera performs very well for its class, it is not designed to replace high-end cinema drones used in commercial film production. But that is not its purpose. The Potensic ATOM 2 is designed to offer balance between power and simplicity, between portability and performance, between creative tools and ease of use. It is for creators who want to grow, travelers who want to document experiences, and hobby pilots who want more than basic flight without jumping into overly complex systems. If you were looking for a drone that combines intelligent flight modes, stable 4K video, long battery life, and a lightweight, travel-friendly design, the Potensic ATOM 2 is a very compelling option. You can check current pricing and availability using the link in the description. And just to be transparent, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. If this video helped you understand whether the Potensic ATOM 2 is right for you, consider subscribing for more tech reviews and practical buying guides. Because the right gear doesn't just capture moments,
it helps tell better stories.